In a world where driver bits roll away, vanish into the unknown, and slow down your projects, one organizer steps in to change the story. The French Cleat driver bit holder, keeping your bits secure, within reach, and ready to tackle any challenge. Coming to your workshop now.
Ugh, where's that Torx bit? I just had it, and now it's gone. Every single time I need the right size, it's nowhere to be found. I'm so tired of wasting time searching through this mess just to get something done.
Ever feel like you're digging for hours just to find the tool you need? Or worse, projects stay unfinished because your tools are out of reach or buried under clutter? Well, say goodbye to the mess, because FrenchCleatSolutions is here to save the day. How does it work? It's where tech from the past meets tech from the future. For hundreds of years, woodworkers have trusted French Cleats for strong modular storage. But now, enter the era of the 3D printer. Layer by layer, or brick by brick, if you will, these tool holders are crafted with precision and care. Keep your workspace organized and efficient with the French Cleat screwdriver bit organizer. Designed to hold up to 30 screwdriver bits, this organizer ensures your tools are always neatly arranged and within easy reach. Its angle design enhances visibility and accessibility, so you can quickly grab the right bit for the job without wasting time searching. Crafted from durable, eco-friendly PLA material, it combines lightweight functionality with long-lasting strength. Specifically engineered to integrate seamlessly with 3/4-inch French Cleat systems, it offers a secure and stylish solution for decluttering your workspace. Ready to transform your workspace? Don't wait. Grab your 3D printed French Cleat tool holder today and discover even more innovative storage solutions at FrenchCleatSolutions.etsy.com, because every tool deserves a perfect home.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for man.